Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get full 5120 by 1440 resolution on your super ultrawide monitor that's connected to your Mac computer with the M1 chip. I'm using the 49-inch Samsung CRG9 monitor with the M1 Mac Mini, but this tutorial should work the same for other super ultrawide monitors and any of the other M1 Mac computers. This monitor is capable of 5120 by 1440 resolution, but when I set it all up, I was only able to get 3840 by 1080 resolution. You can see the difference here. This is 3840 by 1080, and this is full 5120 by 1440. You get so much more screen real estate at full resolution. So I wasn't able to achieve full resolution on my monitor with the included cables. I had to purchase a quality USB-C to DisplayPort cable in order to get the option for max resolution. This is the one I bought after reading forum posts of people facing the same issue, and they recommended this cable. It is by Maxinar and is available on Amazon. Of course, you could try using other cables, but I can confirm this cable works. I have a link in the description box below. You can see this cable more than supports the resolution that we're trying to achieve. So after you get your hands on a compatible cable, first turn your computer off, unplug the HDMI cable, and connect the USB-C to DisplayPort cable to your computer and monitor. Then turn your computer on, and if it's not already at max resolution, go to Launchpad, System Preferences, and open up Displays. You can select Default for display or go to Scale and select 5120 by 1440. If this option is not available, make sure you're on macOS Big Sur version 11.2 or later. They addressed the super ultra-wide monitor issue in this update where you couldn't get full resolution without workarounds, like turning off FreeSync and setting the lowest refresh rate on your monitor. And only then were you able to get the 5120 by 1440 option. So you can now also change the refresh rate to the maximum allowed. There's still some minor issues that I'm currently dealing with at the time of this video, like sometimes the monitor won't turn on after I wake up the computer from sleep. You can fix this by unplugging and reconnecting the USB-C cable on your Mac. Anyways, I hope this video helped you out. Thanks and see you next time.